Hello students, welcome to the video lectures of speech and natural language processing. Today let us try to discuss the topic noun phrase coordination with verb phrase. So in speech and natural language processing, understanding the structure and syntax of sentences is critical for enabling machines to analyze and process human language effectively. So among the essential syntactic phenomena are noun phrase coordination and verb phrase coordination, which occur frequently in both written and spoken language. So these structures reflect the complexity and flexibility of natural language, presenting both opportunities and challenges for computational models. Now let us try to understand the coordinations of these noun phrases as well as verb phrases and why these are important in natural language processing, and hope you already understood what is a noun phrase and what is a verb phrase. We have seen a couple of sentences as well in our previous video lectures. The how nouns and how verbs that exist in the sentences for noun phrases and verb phrases respectively. Now, noun phrase. A noun phrase is a syntactic unit that consists of a noun as its head, possibly accompanied by a set of modifiers such as adjectives, determiners, like articles, possessives, and prepositional phrases. Example, in the sentence, the quick brown fox. Here, the quick brown fox is termed as a noun phrase. So what is a verb phrase? A verb phrase is a syntactic unit consisting of a main verb and its auxiliaries. Those are termed to be helping verbs, along with any objects, complements, and adverbial modifiers. For example, in the sentence jumps over the lazy dog, jumps over the lazy dog is a verb phrase. So you can see the entire sentence is considered as a verb phrase, but the reason I'll tell you why. Because whenever you see this jumps could be a verb, right? Then why the entire sentence is being considered as a verb phrase, something like that. So now the noun phrase coordination in verb phrases works like this. The main verb is jumps, as I told you, jumps over the lazy dog. Where jumps, we generally consider this as a main verb. The phrase over the lazy dog, which acts as a prepositional phrase modifying the verb and hence is a part of the verb phrase. Hope you got this. Since this over the lazy dog is affecting this whole sentence, that is this is a prepositional phrase we call, which is modifying the verb, right? And that is the reason this is a part of our verb phrase. So coordination is the syntactic operation that combines two or more units of the same type, that is noun phrases, verb phrases, and clauses, using the conjunctions such as and, or, but, etc. Which means now we have seen the noun phrase coordination, verb phrase is the current topic what we are discussing. So when we talk about this coordination, we know noun phrases, we know verb phrases, and what are the terms that are included in a verb phrase, what are the things that are included in verb phrase as well. We have seen those things. Now coordination is nothing but you are trying to make those sentences to conjunct with both, that is to have both at a place using these conjunctions such as and, or, and but. For example, the boy and the girl we say. So now and is a conjunction which is trying to coordinate these two. Now or, he can run or walk. But you can see for the example for but now. She sings but dances poorly. So now noun phrase coordination, what it says. So combines two or more noun phrases into a single noun phrase. Example rule we have. So where noun phrase the is a noun phrase in conjunction with another noun phrase. We'll see. So example is the boy and the girl are playing. Now you can see the two noun phrases here, the boy and the girl, which are joined by and. Hope you got this point. Now, just see the previous slide. We are talking about the coordination in between these noun phrases and verb phrases. Got it. And now when I say this coordination, how it is happening is using conjunctions. And where the conjunctions are like and, or, but, and so on. So now the same example is given there. Now for this noun phrase coordination, if you see the grammar which is defined, noun phrase defines noun phrase, conjunction, noun phrase. This is the structure of it. Now, the same is implied here. So the boy and the girl are playing. So two noun phrases, the boy and the girl, are joined by this conjunction called and. And let us see another example. A cat or a dog may enter the room. Now you can see two noun phrases are joined here. That is a cat and a dog, which are joined by or are. Got it? So what are the challenges in parsing noun phrase coordination? So first one is ambiguity. You see, this is a first challenge we discuss in this parsing noun phrase coordination. I saw the boy and the girl with a telescope. So does with a telescope modify only the boy or both the boy and the girl? So this is the ambiguity. That means this is not specifying or giving the exact meaning or context regarding the telescope. So where I saw the boy and the girl with a telescope. Now, whether you are saying that you saw the boy or the girl or both with a telescope or anyone with a telescope, that's the ambiguity. Then verb phrase coordination, let us see. So combines two or more VPs into a single VP. That is, combines two or more verb phrases. Example, we have seen the grammar here. Verb phrase implies verb phrase conjunction with another verb phrase. That means similar to noun phrase, we are also trying to coordinate two or combine two verb phrases with the help of a conjunction. He runs and jumps. Two VPs, that is, two verb phrases, runs and jumps, are joined by the conjunction called as and. Now, then she is singing or dancing. Two verb phrases here, that is, singing and dancing, are joined by what? Which one? Or. That is another conjunction. So then we talk about handling these ellipses. Sometimes parts of the second verb phrase are omitted for brevity. That is, she sings and dances. Now, equivalent is she sings and she dances. This is how we need to handle these ellipses. Then applications breakdown. So first one is machine translation. That is translating coordinated structures like she sings and dances. LA chant, a dance, which is a French one. Information extraction, extracting entities from coordinated noun phrases. The boy and the girl. So what are the entities in this? The boy is an entity, girl is an entity. Then question answering. So handling questions like who sings and dances. Okay. So these are all the applications where we can try or implement or incorporate these non-phrase coordination verb phrases. And the challenges are ambiguity, ellipses, and long distance dependencies. We have seen ambiguity, ellipses. The long distance dependencies are handling nested coordination. So we see these in some complex sentences. So thank you, students.